Hello guys and welcome back to my stack tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the PS4 error code NP-31730-4, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is head over to settings, then you're going to scroll down to network. From network you're going to go to setup internet connection, and then you're going to go to use Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi, but if you have a LAN cable you can go to LAN cable, but as of right now I'm using a Wi-Fi, so I'm going to go with Wi-Fi. Then I'm going to go to custom, and then I'm going to select the Wi-Fi that I currently am using. And once that is selected, what you're going to do is you're going to click on manual. You're going to click on automatic, not manual. You're going to go to do not specify. Then you're going to go to manual. Then you're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and then secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Or you can also go to automatic, MTU settings, manual, and then automatic, and then do not use, proxy server do not use, and then your thing should update. And yeah, so that is it for the video. That is how you can fix this error code, and you guys should be good to go. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.